Hi, my name is Muhammad Sami, and we are Group 4, and our project is ChannelX. So, I'm going. This is the demo of Sprint 5. I'm going to show you all the functionalities which we implemented in Sprint 5. What I'll do is I'll go through all the user stories one by one, and I'll give you the demo of each user story which we implemented. So this is the landing page. We have improved the landing page of our ChannelX application. First, I'll go through the first user story. So the first user story is, as a ChannelX product owner, I want delete and edit functionality for every created channel so that user can delete a channel or edit channel details at any time. So if you log into the application, you can see where we have improved the overall front end of the application. So if these are all the channels which I created, and if I want to create another channel, for example, SCR517 test demo, and this thing we also improved that you can select the same date now, because in the previous sprint that was a bug, like we cannot select like the start and end date cannot be same, but now they can be same. And this is the time selection. So the channel is created successfully. So you can search the channel SCR517 test demo. Okay. So these are the two options which we added, which are actually the demo of the this user story. So you can delete a channel or you can edit the channel. So for example, if you want to delete the channel, you can just click on this channel, this icon, and it will say if you want to delete, then just confirm it, and if you don't want to delete it, then cancel. So yes, delete it, and the channel has been deleted. Okay. So, and for the added functionality, for example, if I click on this test 3 and click on this, it will show all the previous details entered by the user, and you can change it. Like you can change it to SCR517 new channel, and password can be this, or you can edit the dates like from 16th December to from 17th December to 28th December, or time can be selected randomly. Okay, and then create. So it will save all the changes, and now you can see that this channel has been renamed and all the details have been renamed as SCR517 new channel. Okay, so this is the user story number one. So we are going to the next user story. The next user story says, as a ChannelX product owner, I want interactive pop-up messages so that the user can get responsive messages at every important interaction within the ChannelX application. So what in the previous sprints, what we were using was we were using the alert messages of the application everywhere where we were interacting with the user. For example, like if a channel is not available right now, we were showing an alert, but now we have replace them with these interactive pop-ups at every instant. This pop-up, for example, this channel is not available right now, so we just display this message to the user that the channel is available from this to this date and only in this specific time slot from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can the channel is not active, you can come back later. And we have also done use these pop-ups at every important instance. For example, if someone tries to search a channel, okay, this is channel active, and enter the wrong password and tries to join, it will say invalid passcode. So everything which we everything where the user wants to know what is happening, if he is not able to log in, if he is not able to send message in the chat or anything, we have used these pop-ups. So for the next user story, as a product owner, I want the landing page including both sign up and login functions so the users can navigate the authentication function in one page. So this is the landing page of our application. Now we have improved this landing page a lot, because in the previous landing page, basically the issue was every important function like sign up, login, and every important function was on another route. Like for sign up there was another route, login there was another route, and these social login, everything was on another route. So we tried to improve the for the final sprint. This is the fifth sprint actually, but as we are not going to code any new functionality in the next sprint, so we tried to complete all the basic improvement in the UI in this sprint, and this is one of them. So everything we improved, everything is now on one page. That was the basic motto, and Hongfei actually implemented this part. Hongfei implemented the whole landing page, everything on it, like the forms and all those things. Okay, so moving on to the next user story. As a product owner, I want the search field to display channel names when searching, and set channel on selecting one, so that the ChannelX user can easily identify the channel before joining it. So as you have already seen, let me log in again to the application so that I can show you. Previously our search functionality was not that good, so what we did was we actually improved the search overall. We replaced the overall functionality of the search with a new search bar. Now you can, if you have a channel, like you can search all the channels by typing any of them, and when you select, then it will get selected actually. Previously we had this thing that the actual like when you will try to access the channel from a list of channels available in the search, it was not able to access them or display them in the search bar. But now we are able to select the channel out of the list of all the searched channels, and you can select your specific channel and enter your passcode. And we have also improved this passcode thing, because actually we did this in the previous sprint, but at the end of the sprint, as the product owner said that you have to use this enter passcode thing for all the passcodes, like the public passcode, the private passcode, and one time passcode. So we are using this for now. So for example, if I create a channel, I think I should create a channel so that you can 517, and this is the password. So the channel will be active till 11 p.m. in the night. Create. This is Sami test 1517. Okay, so you can search Sami test 517. So this is the channel which I created right now. You can select this channel, use the passcode. As a creator, I have the passcode, so use the passcode to join this channel. Okay, so this is the overall chat page. We improved the chat page UI as well. So you can see that the user can show passcodes, and if you press on this show passcode thing, as we don't have any one time passcode yet, as a creator I don't have any show like any passcode, one time passcode right now. So it will say that please generate new passcode. Okay, so if I try, like, this thing has created another passcode which is teal dog. Now if you go back, you can see teal dog has been added. You can create another passcode, gold dog, and if you go back, it will display the list of all the available passcodes. Now if I go back and I try to join this channel again using a one time passcode. Okay, so now I get the access. But if I go back and use the same passcode again, it will say that this passcode has already been used, because this was actually the one time passcode. Okay, and you should understand one more thing. Like, when I first entered into my chat by searching this channel, I entered the passcode, this passcode, then you can see that this channel has not been added to the participated channels, because the participated channels are the channels in which are created by someone else, which are not created by me. So the whenever someone enters into a channel, only those channels will be entered in this list of participated channels which are created by someone else, which are not created by me. Okay, so then there is one more feature which I want to show you, which we have improved. Basically, the main thing is like the next user story, which I should show the next user story first. So the next user story is This user story is about the UI changes of the home page and integrating all those other routes like private channel, public channel, everything, and edit, delete functionality, everything on one page. So, as a product owner, this user story says, as a product owner, I want the home UI to have a clean UI and simplify the creation of channel process so that ChannelX users can quickly recreate the channels. Okay, so if you go here and you can see that create public is now actually on the home page. You can just create a channel from here, and then create private channel is also here. So you can just enter your name and password and go like create the private channel. You don't have to go to any other route to create a public channel and go to any other route page to create a private channel. So this is the thing. And now I'll also show you how we can create a private channel in our application and how we can access it. For example, I can just say that semi57 test 9. This is the private channel. Create this channel. It will say that this passcode has been generated 2004 black Honda hybrid wagon. Okay, you can just click on this button and your passcode has already been copied. Okay, so if you want to access or give this code to anyone else, you can just and you and that other person can just go here, paste this code, and click on join, and you can access the channel. You can chat with this that person privately, because the private channel feature has this most important thing is like in the private channels you cannot see private channels anywhere, because all those public channels you created you can see on these lists, so you can search here, but you cannot search their channel, private channel which I created, because that is a private channel. Only the person who has the code can access that private channel, and you can just share it with your with anyone who you really want to chat privately. No one will ever know that this channel exists. So I have covered all the functionalities. I just want to explain who worked on which part of the project for this final sprint. Hongfei has worked on the landing page. As you guys have already seen the landing page. Hongfei has worked on the landing page, and Hongfei has worked on the landing page. Darshan has worked on the search functionality and integrating the models. Darshan has worked on the search functionality. Subradeep has worked on multiple bugs, issues, and all those things. Manisha, and especially the delete functionality has been implemented by Subradeep. Manisha has worked on the edit functionality, and I've also worked on the edit functionality with her. Everyone actually participated in this sprint, and we have completed our sprint goal. So this is so that's all for the demo. Thank you so much.